From the Washington Times, I'm Alex Miller. Hunter Biden's lead criminal defense attorney on Tuesday asked a federal judge to remove him from the case because he can now be called as a witness in future proceedings. Christopher Clark, a longtime Hunter Biden attorney, has vigorously defended the first son against the tax and gun charges, which could head to trial after a plea agreement crumbled last month. Mr. Clark wrote that his withdrawal will not harm Hunter Biden's defense because other members of his legal team will continue to represent the first son. Mr. Clark is stepping down only a few days after federal prosecutors said they've reached an impasse on a plea deal related to tax offenses and a division agreement to resolve a gun possession charge. The withdrawal also comes 2 days after Attorney General Merrick Garland granted special counsel status to Delaware U.S. Attorney David Weiss to investigate Hunter Biden. Biden administration officials have offered colleges and universities suggestions for circumventing the Supreme Court's ruling that effectively barred racial preferences in admissions, saying schools should consider applicants' essays on race and ditch legacy policies. Education Secretary Miguel Cardona said, "For higher education to be an engine for equal opportunity, upward mobility, and global competitiveness, we need campus communities that reflect the beautiful diversity of our country." The administration advice walks through scenarios of how college admissions offices could consider an applicant's race. For example, a university consider an applicant's explanation about what it means to him to be the first Black violinist in his city's youth orchestra, or an applicant's account of overcoming prejudice when she transferred to a rural high school where she was the only student of South Asian descent, the guidance states. For these stories and all the news, visit us at WashingtonTimes.com.